Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 10 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I've got some really cool Drone Valley swag and products for you today, and we're giving away 2 sets of these, so there'll be 2 winners. But before we get to that, what do you call really young snowmen? Children. On the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a bunch of Drone Valley swag and a bunch of products as well. That's right, we're giving out 2 sets of these, so there'll be 2 winners picked for this contest. And I've got a lot of stuff here on the table. A lot of people ask us, Rick, do you have stickers? Do you have coasters? Do you have mugs? We do. We don't actually sell them. We include them every now and then when we're shipping a product out to somebody. We'll stick one of these in there as a nice little surprise when you open up the package. So if you order gear from us, make sure you look way down in the bottom of that envelope because there might be something cool in there. But anyways, part of this contest, we're going to give away 3 Drone Valley products. A coaster, which is really nice with our Drone Valley logo on it. You can use it on your table, brag about us to your friends. A magnet you can stick in the back of your car, and it's a really nice flexible magnet. And a holographic sticker. This is incredibly cool. If you're into that whole 1970s vibe, if you hold this under the light, it's going to change colors. You can stick that on your drone bag, and those are included in this giveaway. We're also including our 48-piece precision screwdriver set. Now, this is something we designed here as the Drone Valley team about a year ago, and these have been incredibly popular with flyers because essentially what you're getting is a really nice aluminum case that's got this magnetic latch on it where you click it and it pops open, and inside you've got the handle and you got 48 pieces and different bits in there that you can use to take things apart. And there's a lot of bits you wouldn't normally find, security bits and other types of bits that if you're working on something really small, this is incredibly handy. Like, for example, if you're changing your propellers on your minis, that'll help you really do that well. Maybe you're taking a watch apart. Don't take a watch apart. You'll never get it back together. But if you're playing with something small, this is really good. And I know around Christmas, there's a lot of ornaments and things. You got to change batteries in, and they have those tiny little Phillips head screws in there, and they're impossible to get out. This will help you get those out. We're also including our brand new FlexLight product. Now, this is a really simple product that's got a USB-A connection on one end and a light on the other end. There's no switches, no shenanigans about starting it up. You just basically plug it in to any USB-A port and it lights up. It's got the Drone Valley logo on it right there. So if you got a power bank with you, you essentially plug this into a USB-A port, turn on your power bank, and boom, you got light. You can plug it into your computer, your laptop, anything, your car, anything that's got a USB-A port on it. We're including 4 of those. And the last product we're including is this coveted Drone Valley mug. Now, these are really rare. We've only given a couple of those out to friends and family. So this is something that a lot of people are asking about, and we actually have it right here. So we're going to send one of those, including all this other stuff, out to 2 lucky winners, and the contest could not be easier to enter. You basically look down below, you'll see a link to enter the contest. If you click that link, it'll ask for your email address and your YouTube subscriber's name. That way I have 2 ways to get a hold of you. I'm not going to keep your emails, I promise you. We do this every year for the last 5 or 6 years. We never spam you. You basically enter the contest, we get rid of the emails at the end of the contest. But after 7 days, we're going to take all those emails, put them in a big fishbowl, and we're going to pull 1 out at random, or 2 out at random actually, and send you emails saying, hey, you won the contest, send us your address, and we'll ship all the stuff to you, and then we put it in an envelope and send it right off to you. And again, we don't charge for shipping, we don't ask for anything from you guys, there's no shenanigans involved, which I say every time, it's one of my favorite words, shenanigans. Anyway, we just send this stuff out to you. You get to enjoy all this Drone Valley swag and all these cool products, and again, I don't care where in the world you live. Now, I'm picking on some funny U.S. towns in these clips. One of them that really caught my attention is Two Egg, Florida. Now, that's a great name, and when I heard Two Egg, Florida, I'm like, nope, I gotta look that up. Where'd that come from? Well, it turns out, it's kind of a heartwarming story. During the Great Depression, people didn't have a lot of money, and they still had to eat and had to trade for goods. So what families would do is they would bring 2 eggs to the local store, the local tax store, and they would trade those for sugar and other sundries they needed for the house. And I thought to myself, man, that is a great American story there, where you can sort of pull yourself up by your bootstraps. You got a bunch of chickens, take a couple eggs, take them down to the local store, trade that for sugar or whatever else you need. Then the store's got fresh eggs. You've got what you need for keeping your family happy. I thought it was a great name. Now, interestingly, Faye Dunaway lived for a short period very close to that town as well. So there's a little bit of Hollywood history for you. And I'm sure the younger flyers are going, who's Faye Dunaway? We don't know who she is. She was a famous actress. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So I don't care where you live. We'll ship it to you. U.S., outside the U.S., on another planet, I don't know, maybe we can send something up in a SpaceX rocket. We'll figure something out, but enter the contest. We'll get it to you. Don't worry about that part of it. And that was pretty much it for today. Now, I've got 2 more contests coming. I'm trying to kind of strong arm a few of my favorite guests to come on the channel with me. Let's see if I'm successful with that. But anyway, it's been a lot of fun so far. I'm getting really tired. I promise you I'm going to drink a cup of coffee. I'll come back with day 11 and day 12, and we've got some amazing stuff coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I say this every time, what are you waiting for? Hit that Drone Valley logo down there and join the Drone Valley family, because you don't want to miss out on this stuff. We're just giving it away, and there's a ton of stuff. So you definitely want to get in on these contests. And that's pretty much it for today. So thanks again for watching. I got to get a nap. And until tomorrow, happy flying.